How to save a new sheet in an existing Excel file, using Pandas? I want to use Excel files to store data elaborated with Python. My problem is that I can't add sheets to an existing Excel file. Here I suggest a sample code to work with in order to reach this issue. This code saves two data frames to two sheets, named x1 and x2 respectively. If I create two new data frames and try to use the same code to add two new sheets, x3 and x4, the original data is lost. I want an Excel file with 4 sheets, x1, x2, x3, x4. I know that xlsxwriter is not the only engine, there is openpyxl. I also saw there are already other people that have written about this issue, but still I can't understand how to do that. Here code taken from this link. They say that it works, but it is hard to figure out how. I don't understand what ws.title, ws, and dict are in this context. Which is the best way to save x1 and x2, then close the file, open it again and add x3 and x4?
Thank you. I believe that a complete example could be good for anyone else who have the same issue. Here I generate an Excel file. From my understanding, it does not really matter whether it is generated via the xlsxwriter or the openpyxl engine. When I want to write without losing the original data, then this code do the job.
For creating a new file. For appending to the file, use the argument mode equals ampd.xlsxwriter. Default is mode equals W. See documentation.
In the example you shared, you are loading the existing file into book and setting the writer.book value to be book. In the line writer.sheets equals dict ws.title, ws, for ws in book.worksheets, you are accessing each sheet in the workbook as ws. The sheet title is then ws, so you are creating a dictionary of sheet_titles column sheet, key, value pairs. This dictionary is then set to writer.sheets. Essentially, these steps are just loading the existing data from masterfile.xlsx and populating your writer with them. Now let's say you already have a file with x1 and x2 as sheets. You can use the example code to load the file and then could do something like this to add x3 and x4. That should do what you are looking for.
A simple example for writing multiple data to Excel at a time. And also when you want to append data to a sheet on a written Excel file, closed Excel file. When it is your first time writing to an Excel, writing df1 and df2 to one st_sheet and two nd_sheet. After you close your Excel, but you wish to append data on the same Excel file but another sheet, let's say df3 to sheet name 3rd_sheet. Be noted that Excel format must not be XLS, you may use xlsx1.